How do I stand out in a crowded marketplace? How can I be more memorable? How can I lead and read a room? Most people that I work with have had all the training. They've been in business, they've been successful, and now they're at their point of their career where they want to strengthen their confidence. They want to strengthen their ability to understand a room, whether it's verbal or nonverbal, but also have the ability to take all of that information coming at them and improve and build upon the influence that they have, whether they're speaking, interacting, or just working one-on-one with people. It really is time to get human again. Many managers talk about the how before the why. Well, you talk about tactics, you talk about what you're gonna do, you talk about the importance of what we're gonna do, and then you notice there's a meeting in the hallway after your meeting. This program is designed for you to really drive people understanding the why of the change, why it's important to the organization, why it's important to client service, to sales, business development, marketing, operations, wherever you may be located. Giving people the why of the change gives them the heart of being supportive of the change. In short, people will support what they help create. This program is going to give you those skills to engage people in those conversations based on the why, so everyone leaves the room with alignment, clarity, focus, shared accountability. That is a great management skill for you. This program is based upon 25 years of what I call ontological coaching, which is the psychology of being. What that really means is the definition of a coach is someone who identifies a strength in someone that they might not even realize they have. This program is really based on people being on their feet, communicating with one another, and the coaching is really meant to be very supportive and growth focused. And anything that we do in this room that involves coaching, the reasoning of the coaching, the purpose of the coaching is always shared with everyone in the room. It's almost like a coach the coach. You're gonna walk away with not only the coaching skills, the leadership skills, and the management skills. All three of those is gonna be a determinant of your success. The coaching for many people is the new part. It's really about asking great questions and really about supporting people on their feet in a fun, supportive, interactive way. This program is built for every individual, every leader, every manager, someone newly promoted to a role. You see, many colleges and universities, they give you the theoretical academia of leadership. And that's really powerful. It's a great tool in your toolbox. But the application of that is going to be a really important part for your development. Imagine being in a room of like-minded leaders who have that background, but also want to have some proven principles with a shared group of people, sharing best practices, moving around the room, laughing, joking, but really building on the same skill sets. You will never find interaction like this anywhere else. This is really built for the new manager, the existing manager, the older manager who's now mentoring and legacy of a team, but even the newer managers like, what the heck do I do? I'm brand new to this role. Or one of the worst situations we hear is you've been promoted to a management role or a supervisory role, and now managing and supervising the very people you once worked with, you interacted with, they're your friends. That is a real challenge in management development. This program is built around those skill sets. Now here's a part of the program that we love the best. Participants say they love this part of the program more than any other part. It's understanding body language, non-verbal communications. You see, 85% of all communications is non-verbal. And this program is based to give you the skills to identify comfort and discomfort cues in other people, whether people are open, they're closed, how they move their hands, their feet, their shoulders, their chins, their eyes. And this program is going to give you the fundamental skills of reading non-verbal communications, the real edge in today's business environment. Welcome to the team.